Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get cheap car insurance in NYC. So you simply need to search cheap car insurance in New York. So search for that. Okay, and you need to open any of the website. So I'm going to go with this website. So you can select any of the one according to your choice. So I'm going to go with the first one. So you need to open the first website. You can open any website according to your choice. But if that website is not open, you select this website. Okay. And here you can see here you need to select the vehicle maker. So I'm going to go with Honda vehicle year, vehicle model, vehicle trim. Do you own this vehicle? Save additional 2% by adding a second vehicle. So no thanks. Are you currently insured? No. Gender male, birth. So I'm going to add the data randomly. Are you currently married? Yes. Incidents in the past 3 years. Had an accident? No. Receive a ticket? No. Okay, then you need to go back, add your first and last name. So I'm going to add a random name, Adam Smith. Have you ever honorably served in the US military? I know. Add another driver. So no. Current address and click on this option, and then you will have the best cheap car insurance ready for you. And if you want, you can free call as well to contact with their support. So this is the process how you can get cheap car insurance in NYC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.